friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're talking about a new lip product from ColourPop. Okay, I realize these aren't technically brand new because we did see this Fresh Kiss Glossy Lip Stain formula come out with the Cherry Crush collection, but you know, they're new. They're pretty much brand new. They're new to me. Anyway, these are launching on Thursday, July 8th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That is the time zone that California is in. So if you're not sure what your time zone is, check Google to make sure that you are on time to grab the shade that you want. I have a feeling these are going to be very, very popular, considering that the glossy lip stains that dropped with the Cherry Crush collection are one of the only things to really quickly sell out lately. So I have a feeling that this whole launch will be pretty popular. These are going to be priced at $8 a piece. I don't know if there are going to be any bundle sets. ColourPop does like to do little bundles for us. And I also don't know if these will be at Ulta or not eventually, but you can use my affiliate code. The code is just Amanda, and you can save 10% on your purchase from the ColourPop website. Thank you to everybody who has been supporting the channel in this way. I really appreciate it. You know, I appreciate your face no matter what. There are 9 shades for this product, and I am going to show you some lip swatches for all 9 shades. First, I just want to give you a close-up look at the packaging. Here's the lip stain itself, as well as the little outer box that it comes in. The packaging on the lip stains themselves look the same no matter which shade you pick up. However, the outer cartons, the little boxes that they come in, are color coordinated to the shade of lip stain that you're purchasing. I kind of wish that we had seen this cute little color coordinated, like kissy lips detail on the actual lids of the products. I think that'd be cute and maybe a little bit helpful, but because the packaging is clear, it's not, you know, it's not the end of the world. You're still going to be able to select the correct shade, but I do think that would have been a cute detail because these boxes are very, very adorable. The packaging is square, it is heavy duty plastic, and the shade name is on a little sticker on the bottom. The doe foot is a tiny little pointy applicator. It does have a slight curve to it, so it does do a good job scooping up the amount of product that you need to cover both lips. And the very small pointy applicator is great for detail application around the corners of the mouth, a cupid's bow. So it seems like this applicator really is well suited for this product. These don't really smell like anything but that faintly chemically smell of cosmetics. So I don't think these are scented. I was really expecting them to have a sweet fruity scent, because so many ColourPop products do have a sweet fruity scent or a sweet vanilla scent, but these don't seem to me to be fragranced. If you try them and they smell fragrance to you, definitely let me know in the comments. Everybody experiences things differently, but yeah, I really don't think these are fragranced at all, which I know a lot of you will appreciate because I know a lot of you don't like fragrance in your makeup or are sensitive to it, so I think these should be fine. Now, before I show you lip swatches, I'm gonna insert a video clip here of swatches on my arm. I'm not going to re-swatch these because when I tell you that my arm was stained, these are intense. When they say glossy lip stain, they really meant the stain part. So I'll show you the video clip here. This is an unedited video. Obviously, I tried to make the lines look pretty, but it's not stenciled, it's not edited, nothing. This is a raw video of all of these shades, and I can't afford to have my arm stained. I need my arm for swatching for work. So apologies if that is not what you were hoping for. I am gonna lip swatch all of them. Hopefully that goes well. We'll see. I am a little bit nervous though, I'm not gonna lie. Now let's take a look at some lip swatches of all 9 shades of this glossy lip stain, and then I'll wrap up all my thoughts at the end. I gotta tell you, I really like this product. I really, really like this formula. These are super comfortable. I mean, when I'm wearing this, I feel like I have absolutely zero product on my lips. It's so interesting because it's not quite glossy and it's not quite a stain. It has almost a gel type of feeling to it. With that consistency of the formula, I was expecting this to be kind of slippy and glob up in weird spots and not look really even and pretty. But it does look really even and pretty, especially the lighter shades. Some of the deeper shades do tend to be a little bit more patchy for me, and that's something that I experience with a lot of different formulas. It's not specific to this glossy lip stain. In general, deeper shades of all kinds of lip products are quite patchy on me, and it's true of these as well. The deeper shades are a lot more high maintenance. The light and medium shades are just very, very easy, and overall it's a very low maintenance product. It's a comfortable product. It lasts for a really long time, and as it does wear off, it wears off very gracefully. It doesn't seem to come off in chunks and patches. It sort of fades in a very lovely and non-offensive way. It's a little bit less glossy than I expected. It's more of like a natural, it's more of a satiny type of finish. After it's initially applied, kind of dries down to a more satiny finish. I think this is really cute, comfy, pretty, low maintenance. I can see this fitting in really, really easily to a lot of different people's styles and personal tastes. This is the type of thing that I like. Comfortable and easy. It's really what I'm looking for. This shade, Sugar Snap, is my favorite shade. I know it's kind of basic, but it's very much a My Lips But Better type of color. It looks good no matter what I'm wearing for my outfit, no matter what I'm wearing for my makeup. Even if I do just a very, very low-key makeup look, like barely wearing any makeup, this doesn't look out of place. But today I'm wearing a, you know, a smoky spotlight eye with a duochrome shadow in the middle, which is, for me at least, a pretty glamorous look. And I think that this lip color looks just as well with this as it does with, you know, sunscreen and mascara. Now's the time when I want to hear what you think about this product. Are you interested? Is this something that is going to be on your wish list? Is this something you're going to run out and pick up right away? I always love to hear what you think about things too, so make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I'm fine. Take your time, Amanda. We'll wait. What? Amanda, can you please get it together? Why did I say that? That was a weird thing to say. I take it back. I want to start over. That's the magic of editing. It's so comfortable. Just literally looks like my lips, but better. That's why they call it that. Okay, anyway. Not really breaking any new ground here, are we? With our reviews. No, we are not. I got distracted. What's new? Anyway, also, just a reminder, almost always the earrings that I'm wearing come from a website called By Mel Klein because they are made by Mel Klein. They are so cute and fun and festive, and they look really good on camera, and they make me really happy and joyful in my heart. And I'm 100% biased because Mel is a friend of mine, and she's also a joyful little treasure of the world, and you should totally go and check her out and support her shop. And if you are not in a place to financially support her shop, then go follow her on Instagram and leave little hearts on all of her posts, because that's a really cool thing to do and it helps people out and it's nice, and she's nice, so then you can be her friend too. Every once in a while, just gotta boost up a small business. And I have an Etsy shop too, but I don't know, just stare into my glowy cheeks until I figure out what I'm gonna say next, because that's usually the method I do. And have no hope of understanding because I'm a 35-year-old lady. Yeah, I just own it, you know. Sometimes I zone out when I'm doing lip swatches and forget what I'm doing. Pray for my lips, please. Cute. I'm really starting to be stained now. Okay, that's cute for summer. Cute summer color. I'm gonna try to like blank out my lips a little bit. Doing my best, people. I'm doing my best. My lips actually feel kind of numb, which is weird. It's not usually what happens to me during lip swatch videos. Little bit nervous. It's fine. Everything's fine. Oh, she is bright. I might even wear this one. I don't know. I'm feeling like adventurous for my summer looks because I've been home for a year and a half. I'm fine. Roll out. See, I told you they use a lot of song lyrics. That one I do know. Do you see what I mean? This is the removed lip. The staining is real. I'm doing the most to create the experience here. Trying to give you the most accurate experience, which means putting concealer all over my stained lips. You gotta be careful getting this on the skin around your lips, cause there's only so much concealer can do, you know? I mean, honestly, that's really pretty too. I kind of like all the colors, so good job, ColourPop. I got some on my skin right there. Dang it. And now I will be stained for 10 days. We're just gonna have to deal with it. That's it. That's all there is to it. This is Tutti Frutti. Am I rambling? Am I making sense? Am I making any points whatsoever? It's hit or miss for me. Kind of goes either way. Great. Anyway, thank you for putting up with that. Now that I've been distracted by my earrings, my highlighter, and my eyeshadow, pretty on brand for me, so I'm gonna go. I hope you have a great day. If you're not having a great day, we're here for you and we love your face. Everybody in this whole community, you can't see them, but they're here and you're special and adorable and I'm glad you're here and I love your face. Okay, bye.